This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by learning Summoner's Rift layout. 3 lanes called top, mid, bot, plus the jungle with neutral camps. Neutral objectives matter. Dragon spawns at 5:00 and Baron spawns at 20:00. Both shift game tempo and give team-wide advantages. Minion waves spawn every 30 seconds. Focusing on last-hitting minions secures gold to buy items. Your primary win condition is to take towers, then inhibitors, and finally destroy the enemy nexus by grouping and securing objectives together. CS stands for creep score and refers to last-hitting minions to collect gold and experience. Practice last-hitting in custom games first. Aim for roughly 60 CS by 10 minutes as a baseline while keeping trades short and avoiding unnecessary damage. Warding wins map control. Place control wards to deny vision and use trinket tools to reveal or sweep enemy wards during rotations. Good vision prevents surprise ganks and lets you contest Dragon and Baron with confidence while tracking the enemy jungler's position. In mid and late game, group for major objectives and fight around Dragon and Baron to convert advantages into towers and inhibitors. Build items that counter enemy threats rather than copying random guides. Adjust armor, magic resist, or lifesteal to survive specific opponents. Communicate clearly. Ping enemy summoner spell cooldowns, announce objective timers, and shot calling gauges or disengages. During teamfights, prioritize target selection. Peel for your carries if you are support, or commit to high-value enemy threats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.